Hello, in front of me I've got Blackview BV 6600E. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay. And tap Get Started. As you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. If you go to the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you'll be able to edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, which is unavailable on this phone because it doesn't have NFC. Help and support, send feedback, and in the end, access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.